What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to yet another video and the channel. It's so good to have you with me today. I've been doing a lot. I've been looking for a new house. I need a bigger space so I can keep creating these videos. But today I'm going to be showing you how to fix a flat log image using the tools that is inside of Final Cut Pro already, as well as how to use LUTs. So let's jump right into it. Alright, now that we are in Final Cut Pro, I already have the session set up. I have my adjustment layer here, and I have this clip again of my friend who is walking from a previous shoot. Now, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to fix the color. As you can see, it's log footage, it's flat, it's neutral, but we're going to bring out the color in this. There's two ways you can do this. Okay, first way is the easiest way, is that you're going to go up here to the view and you're going to go into video scopes. Video scopes is going to bring in all of this, but what we're going to really pay attention to is our luma, our lumometer, lumometer, whatever you want to call it. This is what we're going to pay attention to. We're going to highlight the actual clip, or you can use the adjustment layer depending on your preference. I like to do the individual clip. You're going to highlight the individual clip, and you're going to go to the color tab and you're going to go to exposure to make sure you're going to go to exposure. And you're going to take your shadows and you're going to bring it down until the lines start crossing or hitting that 0 threshold right here. And you're going to do the same thing to the highlights. Then you're going to find that balance in the middle somewhere, about right there. And then we can close this like so. And that already looks better. That already looks so much better. But there's still a little bit of work to do. Yeah, it still looks a little neutral. So we're going to go to saturation and we're going to bring up the shadows. Bring up the highlights like so. I'm going to bring up the mid-tones. I guess we could have just used the global portion of it. But yes, this is one way to fix color. An easy fix to a flat profile that won't take too long to do. Now right here, what I would do, since it instantly got dark, is that I would just clip it, or cut it I should say, and I will go back right here and I would just use the global portion at this point on the exposure, and I would brighten it back up until it matches this, and I would keep doing it no matter how dark it got. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the other way, which is called, let's go ahead and reset everything, which is called using a LUT. A LUT is a lookup table, actually a simpler way to alter the image's color and tone. What it does is it will rework and remap the color science of an image from its original state onto a target output of one's particular taste. That just came from Google, by the way. And the most common thing you want to do is get that Rec 709 look. That is the standard look. So we're going to highlight our clip again. We're going to go into the effects. We're going to choose color, and we're going to go into custom LUT. And we're going to drop it onto our footage like so. And we're going to go to the inspector and we're going to find, did I drop it in the wrong way? Yeah, I don't even think I dropped it. Okay, there it goes, I didn't have it selected. And we're going to go to LUT. And all of these LUTs you can get for free, various websites. Pixel Film Studios has a free LUT pack. These are some of the LUTs I collected over the years. Peter McKinnon has a great LUT pack, LUT pack. But I'm just gonna go to the basic one, and it's just log to Rec 709, just like so. And then if you look at it, it's still in my opinion, it's slightly oversaturated. So I'm just gonna use the mix, and I'm gonna just bring it down just a hair, about right there. Looks good to me. But it's that simple to fix color. There you have it, folks. That is how you in a way, color grade. It's not like DaVinci or anything, or DaVinci Resolve. It's not like that or anything, but it will get the job done and get you to a better looking, clean image, because it honestly takes practice and a lot of time to be a professional colorist. So, until next time, be sure to like, share, subscribe. Peace.